It's exactly 6 months since President Buhari inaugurated the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19. During this period of coordinating the national response to the pandemic, Nigeria has tested over 482,000 samples, treated and discharged over 47,000 patients from the over 56,000 confirmed cases recorded. Unfortunately, the country has also lost 1,090 persons to the virus, a situation the task force says delay in reporting for treatment has complicated.
Our objective is still to lower the case fatality rate to less than 1%. But an additional challenge we have observed is that most fatalities are among those persons reporting late for treatment, when their clinical condition has deteriorated seriously. The delay in deciding when or whether to go for treatment is what we must fight against.
The task force also speaks on development at the airport since the reopening of the airspace for international flights, as well as the ongoing strike by health workers.
Let me once again send a strong appeal to all health workers, particularly JHS members, that the nation can ill afford any further disruption to its health systems. The ongoing strike has been very costly in terms of human lives, but such losses can be avoided.
There have been instances where passengers have left with COVID-19 PCR results that were negative, and on arrival, at the time when we used to test within a day or two of arrival, having positive results. Passengers that came into the country, and we had more than 14,000 evacuated, on average about 5% of them tested positive for COVID-19, even though they had a negative PCR on boarding. We have identified 13 countries that had significant discrepant COVID-19 test results. We have met with their ambassadors, and we have also obtained additional information on the sort of testing that they do, and also assurance from these countries together with a list of accredited laboratories that we can use.
Although most countries, including Nigeria, are beginning to improve in the management of the pandemic, leading to the reopening of the nation's economy, the task force calls for caution and the need to take personal responsibility seriously.